Hi, my name is Tommy and I'm speaking on behalf of American Seal and Packing to answer some of our frequently asked questions about our non-asbestos sheet gaskets. American Seal and Packing offers a variety of different non-asbestos based gaskets, which are produced from a number of different manufacturers, such as FMI, JM Clipper, Leader, Durlon, ThermoSeal, Garlock, UTEX, and many more that you can see in depth online at gasketing.net. Now, regardless of the manufacturer, the basics of this product are the filler and the elastomer used. The basic elastomers are NBR, which is also known as Buna-N, SBR, EPDM, or Neoprene. Our gasketsales.com page provides information on our GSG product, as well as our SBR and NBR base sheet gaskets, and lastly our Ultra-High Temp non-asbestos sheet gaskets. And I will be sharing some information to answer some of the common questions that we hear. Most specifically, what is our GSB sheet gasket product? GSB is our General Service NBR base sheet gasket material that is blue in color. It is our premium grade non-asbestos gasket material that's manufactured with synthetic fibers and NBR binders. What are some of the features and benefits of GSB? Well, it has excellent sealability, an improved torque retention, it drastically lowers emissions levels, and GSB has the capability to cut operational costs through reducing water, maintenance, waste, stocked inventory, fluid loss, and energy consumption. GSB is available as a sheet or a cut gasket. What are some of the specifications of GSB? Well, GSB has a maximum surface pressure of 1000 psi. It has a maximum intermittent operating temperature of 750 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a minimum service temperature of -100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be continuously operating at a maximum service temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit with optimal performance. What is GSB typically used for? Well, GSB is recommended for severe applications when sealing oils, solvents, fuels, mild acids, and alkalis, and can perform general services in temperatures reaching 750 degrees. This product is commonly cross-referenced to ThermoSeal's product number 4401. If you have any further questions about our GSB non-asbestos sheet gasket, or if you'd like to place an order, you can give us a call at 714-361-1435. You can also check us out at gasketsales.com to learn more about our cut gaskets. We have information on sheet gasket materials at gasketing.net, or you can place an order at our e-commerce site, sealsales.com. Thank you.